welcome to Cassia Naturals. If you're new on my channel, you're so welcome, and thank you so much for clicking on this video. To my 123 subscribers, thank you so much, dear friends, for your love and your support. Hearts to you, and to all my viewers, I appreciate you for watching my videos. So on this channel, I upload videos every day. I'm so enthusiastic about growing our crowns, which our God gave us not by mistake. We need to love it, embrace it, and style it. Yes, and I also share DIY, and I also share how you can go an extra mile to formulate natural hair products, yes, and facial products, yes. And we also share crafts like lifestyle, healthy lifestyle. Health is by choice, not by chance, yes, and how to have flawless skin, without using any toxic ingredients. So all this info is actually on this channel. Make sure that you subscribe to our channel so that you won't be missing any informative videos. Yes, so now in today's video, I'm super excited because you know what, friends, I'm going to share with you how to make fenugreek oil. So you know what, this is my first time ever making fenugreek oil, and I'm super excited. Have you seen that? It looks so beautiful and perfect for hair growth. Yes, so make sure that you watch this video until to the end if you want to make this beautiful oil for your natural hair to look nice and to grow lashes. Then make sure that you watch this video until to the end. So you need some fenugreek seeds. We also need some oil. So in this case, I'm using coconut oil. I love coconut oil, and I'll say the reason why I go for coconut oil and some fenugreek seeds, as you can see. And we're also going to use a clean jam. Yes, so I'm using a beaker. You can go for any which you have available, and our clean bowl there. So we are going to use 50 grams of our fenugreek seeds. And then after measuring, of course, like I was just eyeballing, this is a DIY oil. Yes, so 50 grams of our fenugreek. And we are also going to use our coconut oil. So coconut oil, we are going for 75 grams. So now we are pouring our fenugreek seeds into our beaker, and then we'll pour in our oil, and then we'll put it on heat on low setting actually. So the reason why we are going for coconut oil in this case, coconut oil penetrates into the cortex. Coconut oil reduces damage to hair cuticle during combing, especially wet combing that many naturals are fond of. Coconut oil reduces swelling of the hair shaft when hair is immersed into water, protecting the hair from hygro fatigue. So coconut oil is very different from most other cooking oils and contains a unique composition of fatty acids. This makes coconut oil highly resistant to oxidation at high heat. For this reason, it is very suitable for high heat cooking method like the one we want to use. So make sure that you set it on low heating. So we're immersing our beaker into hot water, and we're going to wait until the oil has started infusing. So it's been almost 40 minutes and our oil has infused well. So like I left it overnight, and then it's the following morning, and we are going to strain using a fine strainer, and we're going to store it in our applicator bottle. Fenugreek is very used in cooking and medicine. It's also used as home remedy to promote hair growth. Although there are some evidence that fenugreek can prevent hair loss, regenerations, like research doesn't actually show that fenugreek alternatively promote hair growth, but some people have used fenugreek to promote hair growth, although research on whether it can actually do so is limited. So an animal study has also shown that herbal oil mixed with fenugreek seed extract can increase hair thickness and growth. So fenugreek seeds are a rich source of iron, protein, two essential nutrients for hair growth. So research on whether this seeding encourage hair growth is limited. Fenugreek may support a healthy scalp. Fenugreek has long been used to treat condition that leads to dry, irritated skin, including dandruff, a condition marked by an itchy, flaking scalp. In some, these symptoms can lead to temporary hair loss, and these and there are different causes of that, like including oil production, fungal growth, inflammation, and dry skin. So like I'm just going to use my Fenugreek hairspray, which we made yesterday. You can check that video out, to moisturize our hair. So you can use this oil actually to pre-poo, like to seal in the moisture, for massaging. Yes, so comment in the section below if you've used fenugreek oil, or if you've ever made fenugreek oil. So actually, you know what? Though it's unclear whether fenugreek seeds could effectively treat all causes of dandruff and scalp irritation, but test tube and animal study shows they possess anti-inflammatory, moisturizing, and fungal skin soothing and wound healing properties. Of course, more research is needed. So like I've been quite skeptical about doing, fenugreek. And if you've observed, like I haven't done a number of videos on fenugreek because I was doing some research, and research is very limited actually, but some were done on animals and test tube. Yes. So are you going to try out this oil? So of course, like, trying doesn't hurt. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, you can click on that red subscribe button and subscribe now, and give me a like. Thank you so much, dear friends, for watching. God bless you. See you in my next video. Bye bye.